Ready? Start. In its first reaction to AUKUS, the new partnership between Australia, the US, and the UK, India has made it clear that it does not welcome the announcement nor does it wish to link AUKUS to Indian interest. Full stop. Foreign Secretary Harsh Shringla said that AUKUS, which was launched a week before the first in-person summit of leaders of the Australia, India, Japan, US quadrilateral, will not affect plans to strengthen the Quad. He called them two very different groupings, describing AUKUS as a security alliance and indicating that security is not the Quad's main focus. Brushing aside criticism from China and Iran on the plans within the partnership for the US and the UK to develop nuclear propelled submarines for Australia, he said that India does not see AUKUS as nuclear proliferation, but New Delhi has noticed the protest from others, especially France, that has lost a lucrative submarine deal in the bargain, prompting Prime Minister Narendra Modi and External Affairs Minister S. J. Shankar to reach out to their French counterparts. France has recalled its ambassadors to the US and Australia, accusing them of betrayal by negotiating their defense partnership with the UK and without informing European allies. The EU and Asian countries have been reserved in their reactions. US President Joe Biden and British Prime Minister Boris Johnson have now spoken to French President Emmanuel Macron, but it remains to be seen whether the damage to ties can be resolved. Para. Given the different reactions and widespread impact of the AUKUS partnership, India's non-committal note is not surprising. There are two sides to it. The promising possibilities of the alliance include strengthening the Quad's agenda to keep the Indo-Pacific region free, open and inclusive. The alliance could also extend itself to bolstering the Quad's efforts on maritime exercise security and efforts in countering COVID-19, climate change, cooperating on critical technologies, and building resilient supply chains. More broadly, the US threefold messaging on AUKUS seems to be in line with India's hopes. That America is back after 4 years of retrenchment from global issues is and engaged with its Indo-Pacific flank as it is with its transatlantic flank, and it is focused on partnership with fellow democracies in particular. But the concerns over AUKUS are considerable too, that the timing of the announcement of the deal just before the Quad leaders meet could overshadow the latter, and also signals that the US is relegating the Quad to less substantive issues in the Indo-Pacific. With the sudden announcement of AUKUS, a worry for New Delhi is that the US is now prompting a security partnership with its Anglo-Saxon treaty allies, that it is excluded from possibly upsetting the balance of power in the region and setting off new tensions to India's east, adding to the substantial turbulence in India's west caused by the developments in Afghanistan.